Hopefully guys, naririnig nyo ako, no? For 3 years, I have been handling or driving an Expander, a Mitsubishi Expander 2019. Now, 2022. Sobrang iba na ng mukha, ng itsura. Para siyang robot, para siyang, I don't know how to describe it. Since I have been using an Expander, this is so lovely. This is so lovely. Parks. One of the cool feature na nawala or actually nadagdag dito sa bagong Expander is the park. So hindi na to yung parang handbrake na ano, it's a push button handbrake. Do they still call it handbrake? The same back seat, the same dun sa Expander natin. I don't think there's a really major change dito except for yung cup holder na yon. I noticed yung pinaka tail light niya nag-iba din. And at the same time, meron tayo parang spoiler dito sa likod. This one. This right here. So in terms of the sidings, I don't think there is a major change. Comparing it with the previous version ng Expander, they actually call it Expander Cross. So parang nagbalik siya ng Expander lang. So nandito tayo ngayon sa parking lot ng SM City Pampanga and kasama natin si Sir Jun. Sir Jun! Ito yung truck natin. Shoot lang tayo ng mga nagte-test drive, mga actual test drive ng mga possible customers. And later on tayo rin yung magte-test drive. So ayun, that's what we're gonna do.
So same first acceleration. Step on that floor.
Okay, floor.
Brake. Yeah. So turn left. So even it's twisty, you can feel the power.
Pero,
yeah.
No problem.
Yep. Little to the left and straight. The clearance.
Tapos pa.
Okay.
So pwede ka na mag-park sa mga ganun, no, sir?
Yeah. Top.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah.
I'll wait for...
Feel mo siya like rev. It's like floating.
Yeah.
But once you see the indicator, more higher. Both hands. Higher. That kicks in.
Oh!
The indicator.
Wala
So
yun.
yes.
Ang galing.
May push ka na. So no need to step on it. Before it's tendency gagas ka. Wheel spin lang. Sayang.
Yes. Thank you, sir. It was a great experience. Thank you, mga brothers. Thank you, Sir Kevin. Sir Aris ang nag-assist sa atin dun sa registration. Shoutout naman natin yung ano natin. Shop natin, sir.
Visit us in Carworld Subic, Olongapo po.
Yan, Carworld Subic. Actually, Carworld is from San Fernando. It's from Pampanga. So, visit natin lahat ng mga Carworld, particularly Subic. Thank you, sir. Alright, may pasalubong pa tayo kay Mrs. Sir, shoutout.
Shoutout King Arayat.
Arayat. Mukha ng Arayat. This is Mitsubishi's event dito po sa SM City Pampanga. So they are featuring the new Mitsubishi Expander. Other than Expander, they also have Strada, Montero Sport, Mirage, at saka L300 vans. Siyempre kasama natin si Alquin. Yo, brother!
Guys!
Nanabawa ka balen?
Migit na gano'n naman, Sir Louie.
Kaya naman, Sir Alquin. Brother, mamili na ako. Nanong bulim?
Mas burigin, sir.
Wow, ako rin ha. Lante. W Camp na
Yung sandbox na yan.
Sandbox. Ayan o. Pa-reserve na tayo.
Tunggalan ka ta.
Pareho katang black na yan. Kambal.
Wow. Para po itong magkay camping ka to.
Bala mas buri kang kulay ni sir?
Orange na. Ay, orange siya ba niyan?
Wow, bala mo orange siya. Orange ka na ako, black ka na. Yaman mga harap. I can still remember the first smell nung sasakyan ko. Parang ganito pero grabe, gamit si Jabez. That's what I call my car, si Jabez yon. Part siya ng journey namin sa Pampanga, ng family. Highly recommended. MPV para sa mga family